Hello smart money traders, welcome back to the channel. This video is basically for those of you who are asking me to make a video on how to trade ICT silver bullet trading strategy on MetaTrader 4, that is MT4. I'm going to show you how to trade silver bullet trading strategy on MetaTrader 4. I'm going to simplify everything for you in this particular video. So if you have your MetaTrader 4, let's get into this video. And for those of you who don't know what is the silver bullet strategy, I've basically made almost 2 videos explaining silver bullet. You simply come to my YouTube channel, go to playlist and come to where you see ICT silver bullet trading strategy. It is a very powerful strategy. Let me just give you a recap on how to trade this particular strategy, and then we're going to go back to our MetaTrader 4. So basically what we do is to look out for the New York 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. You can use 9:30, but I use 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Within this time frame is what I want you to focus on. So what we do is that after price action within this period, outside this period rather, you want to see price just behave like this, all your price action before coming into this time frame. Now once we enter into this time frame, if we take liquidity on either the upside or the downside, we want to see price basically come back into the range and give us some kind of a change of character, or what we basically call market structure shift. And then once we have a market structure shift, we want to see price come back to the most recent fair value gap, and then we will enter our trade from this area. I have explained this in detail. I don't think I need to go back into explaining it. You want to watch my videos to get the detailed explanation on how to trade silver bullet. So we want to use this opportunity and take trade like this. So after grabbing liquidity, we're going to basically focus on the most recent areas of liquidity where liquidity is residing. So if we take liquidity either on the upside or the downside, what we want to see is for price to come back, give us a change of character, and then come back to the most recent fair value gap. Maybe this place, this is an example, and then we want to enter trade from that place. So let me show you how to use this strategy on MetaTrader 4. So coming to your MetaTrader 4, there are some things I want to give you. It's a gift from me. I'm going to give you an indicator that will mark out all the sessions for you. So if you have MetaTrader 4, I'm using a demo MetaTrader 4 right here from FXTM. You can use your own and get the best out of it. Now that particular indicator I'm going to give you, let me put it right here so you can see that particular indicator. It's called sessions, and then click on OK. So you can see this indicator will help you to delineate all the sessions you have. You have Asia, London, and then New York. So if you want this particular indicator, you have to go to the link in the description of this video and reach my Telegram group. I'm going to drop it right there. I'm going to drop it in the Telegram group. To get this indicator on your MetaTrader 4, all you have to do is to basically pick the indicator. This is the indicator, for instance. Click on it and then copy it. Once you copy it, come to your MetaTrader 4, go to where you see file, this place, click on it, and come to where you see open data folder. Click on that. After clicking on open data folder, come to MQL4, this particular one, click on it, and then come to where you see indicators, open it, and then click on this, paste it right here. Once you paste it, it is going to be on your MetaTrader 4. Close this and then close your MetaTrader 4 and then open it again. That is how to get it on your MetaTrader 4. Now once you open it again, it's going to be here, but it's not going to be plotted. All you have to do is to come here where you see indicator list, this particular icon, click on it, come to customs, and then click on sessions. Now after you click, it will appear on your chart. This is not the only thing we want to do. Let me show you another very important setting. We want to just get the exact time, that is 10 a.m. New York session and 11 a.m. New York session. So you will simply right click and come to where you see indicator list, this one, click on it, and then come to where you see sessions. Let me delete the other one I just put and have just one added to this particular chart. I have 2 of them added to this particular chart. So let me get it back again. Go to sessions. So it's going to be right here. Now come to indicator list and then come to sessions. Click on this. Let me show you. Click on these sessions and click on edit. Now if you click on edit, we want to take out Asia and then the London session. Click on this and then click on none. We don't want to see that. And then this one too. Click on none. We don't want to see that. Okay, click on OK and close. Now the only session that will be left will be your New York session, but we are not trading the entire New York session because we are trading this strategy on the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, don't forget, is the time frame we're using to trade this particular strategy. So it's too much of a data for us to use, so we only focus on New York 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and that's basically the time that the New York Stock Exchange opens, and then those are the times that there is a bit of liquidity and volatility in the market, and you're going to have trades from that time frame. And then guys, let me quickly show you something. For those of you who are asking me for a PDF version of ICT concept, I don't have a PDF that I've made that I could give you, but I have a friend that I've actually written and taken time to write a book around ICT, and it's a very powerful book. It's almost 290 pages. It's called Institutional Trading. Now he sells this book for $50, but I've spoken with him concerning my students. A lot of you guys that are asking me for a PDF almost every day, you ask me. You can see all the content. You can see very powerful content, price delivery from a beginner level. You know about Forex, elementary of Forex, history of Forex. Then you come to smart money concept, price delivery, algorithm, understanding market structure, identifying break of market structure, institutional reference points, liquidity pools, premium and discount array, that is PDRA, everything you need to know. This is almost ICT in print. So I have spoken with him. This book is no longer $50. He's going to sell it for all my students, those are all my subscribers, for just $20. It's not a compulsory something. This is for those of you that are insisting for a book. You can reach out to me through my WhatsApp number. It's going to be dropped in the link of this particular video. If you have your $20, it's not free. It's not my book. I'm not going to give you free. It's not necessary you get it. If you don't need it, just watch your videos and learn from videos. So this is basically what I have for you. So let's check out for this particular indicator and set our 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. at the exact time. So let's click on this and look out for that time. The 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. New York time is basically 17 o'clock to 18 o'clock. So click on this, go to indicator list again, come to sessions, edit, and then come down here where you see US begin and US end. You can see it's supposed to be 14 o'clock and 23 o'clock. Now we're going to change this to just 17 o'clock and then this to 18 o'clock, because this is the exact time we want to see our strategy works. Click on OK. After clicking on OK, you're going to have this particular indicator delineate that exact time for you. So you can see this is your New York. So let's just backtest briefly. I'm not going to take much time explaining this. I think I've done good for you by just giving you. So let's look at what happened last week. Do we have anything right here? The most recent area of liquidity was this place before the time, and then this place. Then basically we cannot see any entry. And then guys, let me quickly tell you, this strategy is not an everyday strategy. If you can't see entry, don't force it, just let it be and watch out for your normal price action, your smart money concept. Okay, let's just go ahead and check if we can see an entry right here. Can we see an entry? Let's just delineate our most recent area of liquidity, this place, and then below is this place, and also this place, guys, this particular place. These three places, 1, 2, 3, and then even this place, we can call it an area of liquidity outside. So we have taken liquidity above here, and we're coming back right inside. This is interesting. So let's watch out and see what we've got from there and know exactly what we can do. So from there, we've seen what price have done, coming back, having this. Where did we see our change of character, guys? Can we see any visible change of character? Some people can decide to say this is a change of character or basically this area. Let me show you. But what I'm seeing is that change of character basically happened here. Market structure shift basically happened here, okay, at this point. So after it happened down here, I want to see price come back into the most recent fair value gap, and this is it, into the most recent fair value gap, this particular place. So at this point, I think I'm okay. I can take trade this one, this entry, this place. As price comes back into the fair value gap, I want to be in this particular trade from here to here, and that's almost 12 pips. Okay, to the most recent area is where you want to be. And then this is an example of that. You have seen it. This is a change of character. I don't have an indicator that will identify that for you. I could have given you that, but this is a market structure shift and then coming back to a fair value gap down there. Let me see another example and then I'm going to show you how to trade that. And then here we go with another example. I can see this. Let's just expand it so we can see what we are seeing right here. Right now we can see the most recent area of liquidity here and then here. Okay, so these are the two areas we're going to focus on to see liquidity being grabbed. The first place for our grab of liquidity, if we move outside this area, now we can see we've moved outside. Now we're waiting for price to do something interesting. Where can we see our change of character? This is it. Our change of character basically happened here. Okay, this is where the change of character happened, and then this is it, the fair value gap we're waiting for, and then our price movement from here to this place. Let's see what we've got. That's almost 15 pips. For a scalp, I think it's okay. 15 pips, 16 pips is a very good way to take your scalp, and then your stop loss is basically above that place. So guys, just two examples I think is okay. I'm going to make a separate video on TradingView, but basically I'm going to just back test it around gold, around different asset, crypto, because those are your questions. Let's back test it around all the assets you've asked me to do. I'm going to take time and back test this particular strategy across all the assets, at least gold, currency. Then we're going to back test it around Nasdaq and all those futures assets. Okay, so guys, this is all about this video. I hope it is helpful. To get that indicator, make sure you reach out to my YouTube channel, go to that Telegram group, and then get that particular, the Telegram link is going to be in the description of this video, and get that particular indicator if you need it. If you don't need it, then you can mark it out by yourself. It's easy to do that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.